Namaste everyone. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Snip and Sketch tool not working on your Windows 11. Previously, Snip and Sketch was not working for me too, but now it's working properly. So the first method to solve this problem is to uninstall and reinstall Snip and Sketch. You can just right click on the Snipping and Sketch tool and click on uninstall, and it will be uninstalled, and you can go to Microsoft Store and reinstall Snip and Sketch. If this does not solve your problem, then you can change the setting on your PC to solve this problem. For many people, this has solved the problem. I don't know why it works, but it works. So go to your date settings on Windows, search for date and time settings. Disable this set time automatically. Now click on set the date and time manually and go to change, and you can change this date to October and it will start working. I don't know why it works, but it works for many people and it might work for you as well. So that's how you solve the problem of Snip and Sketch not working on Windows 11 right now.